So I've had some more new arrivals this week, some exciting new models. We're going to go through a breakdown of each and every market price on them, and I want you to tell me what's wrong with this. So first up, we have a 2019 Cosmograph Daytona Panda. Now this is coming just like this. Personally, at the moment, I'm not happy to retail this watch as it is. Can you let me know in the comments why you think that is? I'll show you what it's come with. So we've got the old style warranty card. We have a booklet, and there's a clue. So this is a 2019 watch, guys. Next one, I'm gonna fire through these. We've got quite a few watches to show you, so. Next up, so we've got our watch register with every single watch. Check it's not lost or stolen or been involved with fraud in the past. Here we go. So this is the new 124060 Submariner no date, the 41mm. Really nice watch. So this one looks brand new. They've all been through our authentication process beforehand. They've been photographed. If I remember rightly, this is a 2023 watch. Yes, it is indeed. Both booklets, tags, literally everything's with it. So this is on the website now at 10895. Cracking watch, perfect daily. Next one, let's have a look. So this is a Sea Dweller 43mm red writing anniversary edition. So this is a Mark II watch, absolutely cracking at the moment. Great value for money. This is a 2021. We've priced it 11,795 in today's market. So something a little bit different to a Submariner, slightly thicker case. But I love these watches. Yeah, great value for money at the moment. And of course, with every watch of ours, full box and papers. We don't sell anything that doesn't have everything with it. Perfectionists.
Goddamn right.
Next up, one of my personal favourites. So this is a black dial, ceramic bezel, Cosmograph Daytona, 116500 LN reference.
Perfect. Everything, down to the last minute details.
So same again, this is a brand new unworn watch. It still has some of the stickers intact actually. Absolutely perfect. Really, really nice watch. So these were selling at about 30k during the height of the market during COVID. And we are listing this one for 22,950, which is incredible. Lovely watch. Same again, full set, box and papers included. And another one. So we're getting a lot of stock coming in at the moment. Thank you very much to all of our clients and new clients that are dropping things off and obviously getting in touch for quotes all the time. Really appreciate it. Here we go. Yachtmaster 2. Very interesting watch. You don't actually see many of them about, to be honest. You have to find a certain client for it as well. But we had a 2021 in probably about 2 weeks ago and that sold within 3 or 4 hours. So this one's a 2017, slightly older. We've listed this one at 15,495. For the age, absolutely stunning. Barely been worn at all, to be honest. But the photographs will show that in detail on the website if you want to check that out. 15,495, that one. Both swing tags, booklets, warranty card included. So next up, a very special watch in the larger box. So you know it's a precious metal. Let's take a look. This one also just arrived yesterday. It's been photographed and it's on the website now if you want to see full photographs in detail, sorry. So this is the Everose chocolate dial Daytona with the ceramic bezel on the Oyster Flex rubber strap. And it's actually called the Oyster Flex bracelet because there's titanium running through it. So it's actually classed as a bracelet by Rolex. But yeah, cracking watch. We've listed this one at high 30s. I think it's about 36, 37. And it's completely unworn. Some stickers still intact as well. So perfect example watch. Really, really nice. I'm a big fan of that. Ah, look at that.
Ah, would you look at that?
So this is the GMT Master 2 root beer. They call it the root beer because of the brown on the ceramic in the Everose. I had one of these during COVID, but sadly I let go of it. I wish I didn't. But to be honest, prices were too good at that time. But yeah, it's the GMT Master 2, the 126711CHNR reference. This is again a 2020 watch out of a UK AD and it's never been worn. You still see there's stickers intact on the clasp and there's no marks in it whatsoever. So really, really great example. So this in today's market, we have just listed at 15,995. We also have a 2019 available, which is listed at 15,495. So great prices on root beers at the moment. I think it's a lot of watch for the money, to be honest. You've got the full stainless steel Pepsis sitting at still over £16,000, so a bit of precious metal there and a great looking watch for slightly less. Really nice. Last two watches, here we go. So as you can tell straight away, this is an older watch. It's in the older style box. So this is one of the first watches I ever sold. It's a date just 36, sitting on the Jubilee bracelet with a champagne dial. Really cracking watch, good value for money, especially if you're looking for your first Rolex or first luxury watch. We've listed this one in today's market at 5,795. It's a really nice watch. Been taken very well care of by the original owner. Both tags included, all the links. You've got the original Rolex certificate and it received a service in 2018 as well. So if you want to see the full details on this watch, that's live on our website now with full photographs as well. Last but not least, look at that. There we go, one of the brand new green motif dial date just. I think Rolex really killed it with this dial, so smart. There's a lot of the mint green dials coming out now and hitting the market, but the green motif, for some reason, there's not many floating about. So this is the 126-300 reference, and they call it that because it's the smooth bezel, not the fluted. So it's a stainless steel bezel, Jubilee bracelet, 41mm case size, and the brand new green motif dial. I don't know if you can see that, but it catches the light, it's so unreal. Yeah, cracking watch. So this is live on the website, and it's gone up for $9,795, one of the cheapest in the country. Same again, complete full set watches, box and papers included with them all. Next day, fully insured delivery. If you'd like to see all the full details, please check them out on our website. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. If you'd like to see any of the details and photographs on these watches, please visit our website online. And also, don't forget to let me know your thoughts on this. Thank you very much. Subscribe. So this week's new arrivals. Messed up a little bit. That was all Bruce Almighty. I might do that. Please click the button. What the? And I want to. Can't do it. Can't do it. We have to find an actor. It's been a splendid display of watches.
A absolutely stupendous confectionery.
Thank you for watching.